Welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming here, consider subscribing to the subscribe button, turn on the notification icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So on today's design, we will be doing a new mode design, and on that note, we have entered a new year. So I would like to use this opportunity now to say a happy new year to all my subscribers, all of you that have been watching my videos. I wish you all well, a prosperous new year. Thank you for sticking around to my channel, and I do appreciate. So we are going to be doing a very simple design to start this year. So as we are going now, we'll be changing our design skills. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. This is the image we are using here. This is it. Just keep it here. Then we just open this one. This is June. We edit it. This is a very short video. We will be doing. This is January. So okay. First of all, let's lock this image so that it will not be disturbing us. Okay. Then copy and bring it here. This is January's here. That's what we want to do. Okay. So this is it. We'll just create this circle and give it a stroke, and okay, the stroke opacity of this should be then you reduce this one and keep here. That's good. Then this January should go with yellow color. We just need a simple design. So this is it. Just like I said before, our design is very simple and it's cool. Don't want to stress this design. Just select this one and put the Happy New Year. Okay, so this is it for this design. Let's add this shadow here you are seeing. Okay, you lock this and come back again and open it. That's how you get it. This is shadow and it should be black, but before then, let's do this so that we'll see this shadow very well. Okay, so this is what we want to do, and for us to achieve this, we have to do this. Let's pick this blue color from here. It's okay. So you are seeing this shadow now. This shadow that we added on this shoe. That's how you can get your shadow. So this is it. This is it for this design. If you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe and share my video to your friends so that other people will get to see this video. Thank you so much for sticking around to my channel. See you next time in my next video.